How to easily remove Goguardian on school Chromebook. Now in this video, I'll show you one specific way or method for you to easily remove Goguardian on your school Chromebook. Now it may not work on your end because this is an actual glitch, so it will work around 80 to 90%, but you can go ahead and try for yourself. So the glitch works like this. Open up your school Chromebook browser and then click this star icon right here, which is going to be your bookmark icon. And then you're just going to have to name any name that you have in mind, just say removed, and then choose on done. Now I have set up my bookmarks that automatically be added into here so that I can easily click it. But for you, if you have not set it up, then you can just simply click these three dots, hover your mouse into bookmarks and list, and you should be able to see that bookmark that we created. Then the next thing to do is to type any random um, message here on the box. And then once you've done that, just simply re-access the bookmark that you just created earlier. And then boom, you just removed the Go Guardian on your Chromebook OS. And that's how easily you can remove Go Guardian on school Chromebook.